Breaking news from Eastern Europe. NATO's air defenses are on high alert. On September 30th, 2025, a Royal Netherlands Air Force F-35A Lightning II intercepted and destroyed a Russian drone over Polish airspace, marking the first confirmed engagement of its kind since the Russian invasion of Ukraine. This event highlights the growing tension in the region and NATO's commitment to protecting its eastern flank.
A drone, reportedly a Jiran-2, a Russian variant of the Iranian Shahed 136, entered Polish airspace from Belarus. More than 20 similar drones were detected in the same operation. NATO's enhanced air policing mission, which deploys advanced fighter jets like the F-35, responded swiftly to neutralize the threat, demonstrating the alliance's readiness against aerial incursions.
The F-35A, codenamed F-027 from the 313th Squadron, engaged the drone at a safe interception range. Using a combination of advanced sensors, radar tracking, and onboard weapon systems, the stealth multi-role fighter successfully destroyed the target. Following the operation, the aircraft proudly displayed a kill mark beneath the cockpit, a symbol recognizing this historic engagement. Defense analysts stress that this incident is more than a single drone interception. It underscores NATO's deterrence capabilities in Eastern Europe and demonstrates the versatility of fifth-generation fighters like the F-35 in real-world combat scenarios. Additional air defense assets, including Patriot missile batteries and rotating fighter deployments, continue to reinforce Poland's airspace as tensions with Russia remain high. With the F-35A remaining stationed in Poland until December 2025, NATO's message is clear. Any violation of alliance airspace will be met with decisive action. As the situation unfolds, both military experts and governments are closely monitoring developments, ensuring readiness and rapid response remain at the forefront of NATO's strategy. For more updates on this and other defense news, stay tuned to our channel and follow official sources from NATO and the Royal Netherlands Air Force.